how to view the community members list in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can view all of the community members which are present in your particular community. So in order to start, the first thing that you're going to do is simply click onto this communities tab over the left hand side. Now, once you click onto the communities tab, you will be able to access all of your communities. As you can see here, I have two communities named Random and YouTube. So I have these two communities, and let's say I would like to see all of the participants or the members of this particular YouTube community. So what I can do is simply click onto this particular community and I can see these three dots right here. So once I click onto these three dots, I will see this particular option, and from here I can simply click on manage community. Now, once I click on manage community, I can see the owners list. It includes all of the owners or admin roles. And apart from that, I also have this members list right here. So this will include all of the people who are member of this particular community. So that's how easily you can find all of the members of a particular community in Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.